This one video can be your life-changing video if you understand what I want to make you understand. Like no matter where you born, no matter what kind of person you are small, big, and no matter which situation you are going through, money is the most important and necessity thing for your life. And any person who say like I don't need money, I am very happy and all the bullshit, it is either he is saying because he is not mature enough to understand that money is really very necessity thing. For every single thing you need money. Your 99% of problem gets solved when you have money, and money is really one thing that can solve any problem, fix your life toward growth, make you grow in your life. So money is the only thing, and if you're not understanding this concept, then probably you are hanging around with some bunch of losers who don't have guts, who don't have that kind of self-discipline, hard work to achieve the financial freedom and whatever they want to do in their life. They just born and they will die. If you are hanging with those bunch of peoples, it's really you will not reach anywhere. So whatever I am going to tell you in this video, if you pay attention and understand what I really want to make you understand, you will really understand this concept and understand how you can start shifting your life from poor to rich, how you can make adjustment in your actions, how you can, like, you don't reach anywhere if you don't have map of the place you wanted to reach. So you have to understand, you need a map, you need a mind frame, how you will achieve the tag, the freedom, the money, the any kind of thing you want. Maybe most of people want money for show off. Maybe most of people want to just show off and buy some cars and some big things to show people that they have money. But in reality, if you're not that kind of person, you still need money, because money is a necessity for health emergency, from top-notch health emergency to helping your parents, to helping your younger sisters, brothers. You need money. You need money to help anybody in this world. You need power, influence, money in order to help anybody in this world. If you're seeing someone is carrying trash on the road, you can help them if you have money and right influence. So you should understand one thing which is very important in order to change your life. So let's go on screen and understand what I really want to make you understand. So stay tuned. So pay attention on screen and understand what I really want to make you understand. So this is what you're seeing right now. It is a cash flow quadrant. It is a cash flow quadrant. Cash flow quadrants. If you are struggling with money problem, you don't have time freedom, you don't have money freedom, you don't have anything that you really want to do in your life and not able to really do that things. So probably the most important reason you are not able to do that, you are lying in these two quadrants, this and this. This is, you have to understand, which is very important thing. If you don't understand this, you will not understand what's really need to be done in your life in order to achieve those things. So you are struggling with money problem, then probably you are in this field, this quadrant, that is employee quadrant or self-employed quadrant, because these both are working with, like, they earning money by selling their time, So the both quadrant you are seeing, the employee quadrant, employee are those persons, like all the persons who are doing jobs, they are basically employees. And self-employed, you can consider any engineer, doctor who is, like, they all people are spending their time to earn money. If you belong in those two quadrants, it's hard for you to escape this rat race. It's hard for you to become successful in your life, because these both quadrant allow you to sell your time in order to make money. So you have to shift your quadrant to these quadrants. What is this? So basically this quadrant, this is the business and this is investor. These two quadrants require some money to start. That's why, like, investor is really required some money, initial money. to start working in this field. But business, literally right now in current phase, you are living in this world where you can start business with no money. You don't need bunch of money. You can do bunch of online things. You can start bunch of online businesses without needing of any kind of money. Just little bit of plenty of money is enough to get you off from the ground. So this is the thing you have to understand. Cash flow quadrant, basically there are 4 quadrants in which there are employees quadrant, self-employed quadrant, business quadrant and investor quadrant. If you want to become rich, successful and want to achieve financial freedom, time freedom, then you have to shift your quadrant from employee to self-employed, then self-employed to business, and then business to investor, because you can't shift your quadrant too fast. There are the stages you have to go through in order to change your life. So first you have to go through, like, you choose the employee quadrant. Right now most of people start with the employee quadrant, so you have to focus on employee quadrant, doing your work, learning things. Here you are learning things, then you learn the things, then you thought that you should go in self-employed quadrant, so you quit your job, and now you are working as self-employed. You have some clients through, like, you are working for some clients, but still you are trading your time for money. Now you got some bunch of money from here, not bunch but maybe little bit. So you got some money. So either you can start doing some businesses where some other peoples are working for you, so that you can make money while you are sleeping. This is the only way you will become achieve financial freedom and achieve richness. When you understand this is, like, you need a system and process. When you are sleeping, it is that system and process is still making money for you. That's the only way to make and become rich in this life. So you need a system and process. That's how you will become rich. Right now the AI is like booming very fast. So basically AI is booming very fast. AI are booming very fast. As you seeing, AI is booming very fast. You can even create system and process using AI, so that like AI is your free employee. You can make it a free employee and work for you. You can create system process with using AI, that so that you are sleeping and this is making money for you. You are sleeping and it is making money for you. So once you are shifted your quadrant from employee to self-employed, and then you shift your quadrant from business into business. So after that, when you have plenty of money from business, like you got some cash flow, so you have enough amount of cash flow to live your life, and also you have plenty of cash flow left. So plenty of cash flow you got left. So you will now start doing one thing, that you can use those money to invest in other businesses. You think that it will grow in future. So this way you are shifting your quadrant from this two quadrant to this two quadrant, and this is the most important part. If you stay in this quadrant, you forget about to become rich. You will not become. This is no way out that you will become rich by staying in this quadrant. You have to shift in this quadrant. So this is the thing you have to understand, like where you are right now. You should understand what are the position you are currently in, and if you are aware of the quadrant you are in currently, you are aware of your situation and action you are taking on daily basis. This is how you will improve your life. This is how you will understand that what is important actions you have to take in order to change your life. So that's the basic thing you should understand. And if you're doing the right thing, applying the right strategy, like doing all the things, you are disciplined, performing on daily basis, no matter what you're feeling, you are keep doing your things, you will get it. There is no magic in this. If you put the hard work, you will get it. So that's it. If you like this video, you can watch more like this on our channel.